If you're looking for a way to collect email addresses easily and grow your audience, Outgrow is the perfect tool to help you do that. In this video, I'll walk you through how to collect email addresses with Outgrow and give you a quick overview of how it works, so stick around till the end. I've got a special bonus just for you. Outgrow is an interactive content platform that lets you build quizzes, surveys, calculators, and assessments that engage your audience while collecting valuable data. What makes it stand out is its ability to seamlessly capture emails and other contact information as part of the user journey, whether it's a quiz or a survey. First, let's dive into how to actually start collecting emails. When you create an interactive piece of content, like a quiz or survey, Outgrow lets you add a step where you ask for the user's email address. The great thing about Outgrow is that it doesn't just throw the email capture at your audience all at once. Instead, the content builds up gradually, making it more likely your users will engage and be willing to share their email. But that's not all. You can customize these capture forms to align with your brand and your messaging, ensuring that the email collection doesn't feel intrusive or pushy. Plus, you can even add different kinds of incentives to encourage people to provide their contact details, like offering a personalized result or a discount code at the end of the quiz. Now, you're probably wondering how you actually set this up. Well, Outgrow makes the process pretty simple with a drag-and-drop builder. You don't need any coding skills to create these interactive pieces. Just pick a template, customize your questions, and adjust the design to suit your brand. Then, at the end of the quiz or survey, you can set it up to prompt users to enter their email to get their results or gain access to an exclusive offer. What's even better is that Outgrow integrates with all your favorite email marketing tools like MailChimp, HubSpot, and more. This means that once someone submits their email, it can automatically be added to your email list, saving you time and ensuring no contact is lost. By creating interactive content, you not only collect emails, but you also build a more engaging experience that keeps users coming back. Think of it as a way to capture leads while providing something of value in return. This is crucial in today's marketing world, where engagement is key to nurturing long-term relationships with your audience. And here's the best part. You can use Outgrow completely free from the first link below. That's right, by clicking on the link in the description, you can start using Outgrow with our exclusive extended free trial, which lets you test out its full range of features. You'll also get access to our bonuses, making this an offer you don't want to miss. To wrap it up, Outgrow makes it super easy to collect email addresses by combining interactive content with email capture forms that feel natural. You can use their drag-and-drop builder to create quizzes, surveys, and more, while integrating everything seamlessly into your email marketing software. If you're looking to increase your email list without coming across as pushy, Outgrow is your go-to tool. Remember, use the link below to get your free trial and bonus access, and start seeing how easy it is to collect emails with Outgrow today. Thanks for watching.